Welcome guys to another evening with Spirit Seekers. This is our building tonight. Hello, I'm Tony. This is our building, people. Just waiting for some more guests to arrive. It is a massive place. We'll go inside. It's a massive place, guys. Got a few stairs to go up. This is huge, guys. I think it's about 5 floors. It just goes on and on. Right, I want to make my way up there. I don't want to get lost. So first time at this place, Stanley tool factory, built in the 1800s. I don't know how long it's been empty, guys. I think this is the way. I think this is the way, guys. As you can see, guys, just one floor. It's massive. Massive, guys. We're open to go live at 10 o'clock, as long as we don't have no technical issues. So I hope you all join us at 10 o'clock, guys. I think we're this way. We've got so many guests here and we're waiting for some to arrive. Oh, I might have got lost. I might have got lost here, guys. Oh no. Huge, guys. Right. I think we're on our way, guys. I think we're on our way. I think we're on the top floor to begin with. There's lots of stairs. Which way, which way? If you're here or see anything, guys, let us know. As I say, it's our first time here. Here we go. Head towards the lighted stairwell. Right, guys. Yes, guys, join us at 10 o'clock. Hopefully. See what happens. See, guys, it just goes on. It just goes on and on. Whew. Gives you a workout just getting up these stairs, people. Sweating already. Right. I think we're heading in the right direction. Cool place, guys. Really cool. They're all a paint pile. Look at all that paint peel, people. We like paint peel. Excellent. Look at that, guys. That's cool. That's cool. Right, guys. We've got so many guests in here now. We've got some of the team members hopefully setting up. So that's it, guys. That is a massive place. What do you reckon to that, people? What do you reckon to that? There's Mickey, just getting set up.
Hello.
That's it, guys. If you can, join us at 10 o'clock. We'll go live, see how long we can go live for. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.